Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 7. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? That means we have to find the area of the room. It is given that the room is 4 meter long, length is 4 meter, and breadth is, this is length and this is the breadth of the room. Breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. Breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. 3 meter right. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Here we see that length is equal to 4 meter and breadth is equal to 3 meter 50 centimeter. And we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore we have to convert this into meter, that is 3 meter plus 50 centimeter. If we change into meter, then it will be 3 meter plus 50 by 100 meter. 50 by 100 meter. Therefore we are getting 3 meter plus 0.50 meter. We add the numbers, we are getting 3.50 meter, right? Now area is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangular room is length into breadth. Therefore area of the room area of the room is equal to length into breadth. What is the length? Length is 4 meter. Therefore it is 4 and breadth is 3.50. And it will be square meter. Now to multiply 3.50 into 4, that is 400. 4 for 22 carry, here it is 0. 3 by 12, 13, 14. Right? If it comes to answer is 14. Right? Therefore it is equal to 14 square meter. 14 square meter. And the question is how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room. Therefore, the answer is 14 square meter. 14 square meter of of carpet of carpet is required to to cover the to cover the floor of the room, floor of the room. Right. Now let us repeat once again that the length of the room is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. You have to convert it into meter, that is 3.50 meter. And area of the room is length into breadth, that is 4 into 3.50. You are getting 14 square meter. Therefore, the answer is how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the length of to cover the floor of the room. Therefore, 14 square meter of carpet is required to cover the floor of the room. This is the solution of question number 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.